Hi guys, my name is Eric. Thank you so much for coming back if you are a returning viewer. If this is your first time watching, thank you. My name is Eric, as I said. Um, I will be posting every day on YouTube for forever. So, if you do find this video helpful or anything, definitely join this cult. We could always use more witches in this cult. Oh, that didn't work. But let's just get into this video. So for this video, I'm going to be talking about my top favorite eyeshadow shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This palette was crazy hyped. I wanted it when it came out, but then everyone had it, so I didn't really need it anymore. I was like, I don't need this. Okay, so this palette, stunning. This is like a everyday makeup. Like this is probably like one of the top five palettes that you'd probably ever need in your life, I think. If you guys want to see a video like that, definitely let me know down below. Um, but let's just hop into it. The way I pick these shades is that I kind of just go through it. It has no order. It's just like my favorite ones that are in the top five. So the first one that I know, let's do this side. So my first favorite is gonna be this one. This is like a blood red. I absolutely love blood red eyeshadows. I think they're stunning. I love putting it right here. Plus, Morphe shadows I think do have pigment, and for the price that you're getting at, it's not too bad. Um, yeah, I'll usually pop that right here, or I can use it to create a halo eye by deepening the outer and the inner. Then we have where is it? I do like this shade. This is like an extremely, extremely dark brown. Um, it almost looks black. Like you literally can't even tell. But I love using this shade for my brows. Um, I'll kind of create the line with like um an eyebrow brush, and then I'll go like that, and then I'll like fill it in from the back, and then move forward until it like fades inward, but it doesn't look too crazy because I do have a bunch of like my eyebrows like have its shape, it's just not filled in. So I really like using this shade to like fill it in without using a black because sometimes black can be too intense. And then my third favorite, it's probably gonna be. I'm probably gonna have to go with this one. It's gonna be the one above the blood red shade. Um, it's kind of like the same thing. This one does have a brighter vibe than the blood red. This is more like a warmer red. I don't know. I've heard people on YouTube say terracotta, whatever that means, but it's kind of like an orangey red, orangey brown red. And I can use that one to put all over the lid, but you have to go in pretty lightly because these shades are pretty hardcore. Um, and then let's go in with my fourth one. It's probably gonna be this gold over here. I used it to make it's like an antique gold. And I do like this gold. Like it has a nice reflect to it in the light. So when you are shooting with a camera, it does have like that shine to it. I did use it for an Egyptian look on my TikTok. Um, with like a black, and it looks so good. Like if you are bold enough to pull black like all day every day, put this like with a black liner, and it would look so good on its own. What else do we got here? Honestly, this shade, fire. That's probably gonna be my last one. Watch this. You thought that was crazy? You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's try it. This shade honestly has crazy pigment. It's like paint. Especially from a color like this, you would not expect it to like be like this. Like that is like almost the color of my hair. Oh my gosh, now that I'm like looking at it, this and this gold looks so good. It's giving me like underwater treasure vibes. What if I did like blue and then I did gold in the middle? I'm gonna do that for my TikTok tonight. Oh yeah, I do TikToks twice a day at night usually when I'm like about to wash off my makeup, and then I'll do my eyeshadow and then it's done. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's see. Hopefully you found this video beneficial. You can find my TikTok at ericasala8, my Instagram at ericnerd, and then my Twitter at ericq24053. Yeah. So, I'll see you guys in the next video.